Today is May 31 and we're on our way sa airport going to KL. So I'm with Mappy. First winner. Daddy na sa harap. Si Noy-Noy yung nag-drive. Hi, Kuya. Hi guys, we're here na sa airport and then we're just waiting for Mama and Papa. Nasa parking area pa sila kasi iwan nila yung car nila dito for 5 nights. Excited? Are you excited? Excited, Kelly?
Yay!
Saan tayo?
Japan na ka.
Japan na ka. KL tayo for the third time. May mga areas pa rin or may mga tourist spots pa rin doon na hindi pa namin napuntahan. Diba? So, try natin puntahan ngayon. Hi guys! So we're here na. Katatapos na namin sa scanner as well as katatapos na namin doon sa immigration. So we're finally done. So andyan pa sila, si Daddy, sila Mama, Papa, mga kapatid ko, and the kids. Susuot ng mga shoes. Hoy! Jusera ba yun? Bilisan! 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 For our flight at around 2:40. So right now it's already, ano oras naman? 1 something or 1 p.m. So dito lang muna kami. Hi guys, so while waiting for our flight, so yung flight namin it's around 2:40 pa and right now it's still 1:30, so we still have 1 hour left. So I'm going to show you what's inside my travel bag. So I have here yung backpack ko from Anelo. So it consists of 3 compartments. So ito siya, dito sa half, tapos may zipper dito, and then meron din sa taas, and this one over here. So first I'm going to show you kung ano yung nandito sa lower half. So what I have here is...
Good afternoon all passengers. The Sophie Airlines Flight Air 1816 bound for Manila. May we have your attention please? Due to delayed arrival of your assigned aircraft, boarding will be delayed.
So first, I'm going to show you kung ano yung nandito sa lower half. Ayan, open ko na siya. So what I have here is my wallet. And then I also have here yung wipes ko para easy access lang. Just in case na mag-CR. And then also, nandito din yung makeup kit. I also have here yung aking makeup kit. I'm going to do a separate video for what's inside my makeup kit. Siguro pagdating na lang doon sa KL. The next naman is yung sa upper part. So what I have here is ito money, yung ringgit na. And then I have my I have my shades here. Ano pa? Ito, yung case ng aking camera na ginagamit ngayon. Yan lang. So, yun lang yung laman ng bag. Now, meron pa siyang extra compartment sa harap. So, as you can see, may lalagyan siya ng cellphone. So, I have here my cellphone. And also, nandito yung aking travel documents. Nandito na rin. Ito, may mini notebook ako for our itineraries. And then, I also have here my ziplock for my accessories. So, dito na ako mag-accessories sa loob. As you can see, wala akong earrings, walang buckles. And also, may parang separate pa rin siya na mesh dito ba na zipper. So, what I have here is ayan siya. Steel box, tawag ito, for medicine. headset. And then, ito, power bank. This one is my Asus yung sleeve nila na power bank. I also have my charger ng iPhone. And what else? Ito, contact lens. And also yung solution. Ayan siya. So, ito lang, dala ko. So, this is my travel bag. Bigyan mo sa kanya ang crayons. Ganun sa may trip natin. Puzzle lang siya. Sumakas. We're inside the plane na. Hi, Kuya Lee. Hello. Sabi ko si Kuya Lee. Si Mafi at sa kabila. And Daddy. And sila Mama. Yes. I'm with Jane. Hi, Jane. Si Francine. Sa kabila. Masarap yung nachos nila with guacamole na dip.
Hi, Mafi. Malaysia na kami. Besh. Besh, tingin besh.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. It's already 6:40 in the afternoon. So, dito na lang siguro kami mag-dinner. Kasi we need to travel pa 1 hour papuntang city center. So, baka maalanganin. So, dito na tayo mag-eat. Kasi it's almost 7. So, papunta tayo doon sa... Hi, Mother! Baggage. Luggage namin right now ay we're looking for something to eat for dinner. So dito na lang siguro kami mag-dinner. Mafi. Dinner tayo dito sa Santay, parang dim sum. So we ordered ano to? Santay chicken and then yung sticky honey din. Tapos, we also ordered itong mitarik with chicken bites. And ano pa? Silay. Dim sum yung sa kanya. So, wala dito na sa ibang menu. So, ayan siya. Kuya Lay with his tito. Kasi di magkasya dito. Yung magkamukha. Pero mas pogi si Lay. For our order. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi masyadong gutom. Tapos na. Si Lay na lang. Ayaw na niyang tea. Kawawang bata.
Ano lang ako gold na.
Water ka na lang. Dito tayo bibili ng ticket for our bus from here sa airport papuntang KL Central. So, puntahan ko muna yung mga kids. Baka gusto nila mag-CR. Galing kasi ako sa CR. Okay, andito na tayo sa bus going Central. Mafi. Hi guys, good evening. Finally, nandito na kami sa hotel and yes, nakapag-settle na kami. So, right now it's already 11 p.m. and hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi hinahabol namin yung oras. I think nakarating kami dito sa hotel around 9 p.m. or 9 p.m. something. So, right now, ayan, nagugutom yung dalawa. Nagsa-sandwich. Good thing may baon kaming loaf bread and Nutella. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you on our next video. Bye! Say good night! Say good night, Fluffy!
자꾸 티가 나나 Beautiful, beautiful lady